If you're like most homeowners, you probably don't think about getting a siding replacement in Troy, Ohio very often. To be honest, the siding doesn't feel like an extension of your home, like a gutter downspout. Let's face it, visually, it comes with the home, so we don't usually think about it. It's just there. Until one day you pull into the driveway and something doesn't look right. A panel is warped, a corner is loose, or there's a soft, dark patch around a window. I'm with BCS Roofing and Solar, and today I want to walk you through 3 clear signs it's time to replace your siding before small issues turn into big repair bills. First, look for visible damage. Cracked, warped, or loose panels are more than cosmetic problems. They let wind-driven rain and pests get behind your walls, where you can't see the damaged building. Second, check for moisture clues. Peeling paint, soft trim, or musty odors inside can all indicate water seeping past your siding. By the time rot appears on the surface, the underlying structure may already be in trouble. Third, monitor comfort and energy bills. If certain rooms are always too hot or too cold, or your utility costs keep climbing, your siding and wall insulation might not be doing its job anymore. At BCS Roofing and Solar, we help homeowners distinguish between normal aging and a real red flag. We inspect carefully, explain our findings in plain language, and when replacement is the smart move, we install premium vinyl siding built to protect your home and boost curb appeal for years. If you're noticing any of these signs in your home, reach out to schedule a free, no-pressure Southeast Ohio siding replacement evaluation.